Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to this easy tutorial on how to play Better Now by Malone on acoustic guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, but we have a capo at fret 3. And we'll be playing an A minor chord, a D chord, a G chord, and the C chord. We'll be able to repeat those chords throughout the entire song. We're going to strum them like this. In other words, we're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and we'll keep that going throughout the entire song. A minor, D, G, C, and that's all we'll need to do in order to play Better Now by Malone on acoustic guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.